If you have heard of the phrase, "a picture is worth 1,000 words," then you must be aware of the power of vintage photographs in capturing the essence of a bygone era. These old photographs reflect a period of past history, allowing us to step back in time and experience the world as it once was. Do you remember the days when life was simpler, and women carried themselves with elegance and poise, even while seated on a chair? The theme of our video, Girls on Chairs, 50 Stunning Vintage Images of Seated Ladies, takes us on a journey through time, showcasing the beauty and grace of women from a different era. These photographs not only capture the essence of femininity but also provide a glimpse into the historical context of the time. This collection of photographs is an ode to the models of yesteryear who kept it simple, and just posed on a chair. Here's to the bench babes, deckchair dames, sedan sirens, lawn chair lasses, chaste chicks, papas and princesses, and folding chair foxes from years past. They didn't need exotic locales or big production sets, just a camera and something to sit on. These women exude a sense of timeless beauty and style that transcends the boundaries of time and space. As we embark on this journey through the past, we are transported to an era when the world was a very different place. These photographs capture the essence of a time when women's roles and expectations were vastly different from today. The historical context of these images provides a window into a world where femininity was celebrated in a different way. The most exciting part is still ahead, so let's immerse ourselves in the images and reminisce about that era. Join us as we take a step back in time and savor history through these stunning vintage photographs. As we journey together through these images, we are reminded of the beauty and grace that transcends time, leaving a lasting legacy for generations to come.